In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a LinkedIn profile from a company. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to the LinkedIn homepage. You can do this by typing in linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage and logged into your account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's pretty user-friendly, so you should find everything easily. Next, look for the Me icon, which you'll find at the top of the page. This icon typically shows your profile picture. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Find and select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll manage your account settings, including privacy options. Now, after you're taken to the Settings page, look for the menu on the left-hand side. You'll want to navigate to the tab labeled Visibility. This section allows you to control who can see your profile information. It's essential for managing your online presence, especially if you want to maintain a degree of privacy in your professional life. Within the Visibility section, locate the option that says Edit Your Public Profile. When you click on this, you'll be directed to a new page that gives you a variety of options regarding your public presence on LinkedIn. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find a column that contains the setting called Your Profile's Public Visibility. This is a crucial step in ensuring your profile is hidden from specific viewers, such as companies or search engines. To hide your profile effectively, look for the toggle switch next to this option. Simply click on the toggle to turn it to the off position. When you do this, it will hide your profile from search engines and individuals who are not logged into LinkedIn. Essentially, this means that even if someone is browsing the internet or using a search engine, they won't be able to see your LinkedIn profile. This action is particularly useful if you're concerned about being discovered by recruiters or employers. As a quick tip, it's important to remember that while you're making your profile invisible to the public, your connections can still view your profile. If you're actively job hunting or networking, consider adjusting these settings temporarily and re-enable visibility when you're ready to be more open about your professional activities. So to recap, start at the LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the Me icon, and adjust your settings and privacy. Then go to the Visibility section, follow the steps to edit your public profile, and toggle the visibility switch to do the important work of hiding your profile. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video so we can create more content that makes LinkedIn work for you.